sorry, I was thinking the 93. So now that I'm thinking, oh, you know what? Yes, the speed limit does slow down by that casino that's out there. I think it's the Klondike Casino, or the Klondike or the Hacienda. It's one of those two. I think. Boy, I can't remember now. I was just there too. Anyway, the speed limit slows down because there's a light. But I don't know what its speed limit is out to Searchlight. Do you know? Do you know what the speed limit is out to Searchlight? You don't know? Okay.
There's north. Look at right on southbound, and northbound's the left side.
That is the left side.
That's northbound. And there's northbound on the left side.
Can you describe what the left side looks to me? Or
There's northbound on the left side.
can you describe to me what leftbound look? What? Okay, let me try again. Sorry.
Where's the bus?
Can you describe to me what the left side looks like?
That's the other direction.
Okay. Can you use an adjective?
The left side that's the northbound.
Oh, okay.
On the left side.
Can you use a descriptive adjective, a visual adjective? Like, is it big or small or black or white or tall or short or fat? Is it beautiful? Is it ugly? Is it wide? Is it narrow?
This is the spaghetti bowl.
There's the spaghetti bowl.
There's the 15 bridge.
There's the 15
bridge on
bridge?
the 15.
And what bridge is that?
That's the exit bridge.
That's the exit bridge.
There's another
What's this bridge here on the left?
It's a merging bridge.
Yep.
It's a spaghetti bowl bridge.
It's a spaghetti bowl bridge.
And the 93 is the right lane. The 93, that's the right lane. Those 3 lanes are 95.
Those 3 lanes are 95. And
And the
there's an
right
exit
lane?
lane. Tell me.
Right lane is 93.
Tell me.
And then it's 95 is what this is called.
This is the
But
90.
never,
white spires? Oh, never mind. It's getting covered up by the wall. Anyway, if you look down and to the right a little bit from that building, that's where my house is. There's my exit.
There's your Charles.
And there's the horrible, that part of Charleston is my least favorite part.
There's the bridge over Charleston.
You're right, we're on the bridge over Charleston.
Look, there's Boulder Highway.
There is Boulder Highway. If we did,
That's the end. Look at this. Look at this. Boulder Highway.
where do you think Boulder Highway goes?
It goes to. It goes. Instead of 515, it's Boulder Highway 93. That's right.
Yeah, we could, if we wanted to. We could take Boulder Highway to Boulder City and to
It's
Boulder.
Boulder Highway 93, 95.
Right,
This is just Boulder Highway 93 to Boulder City.
correct. Do you think that
It's
the
Boulder Highway 93, 95 instead of 515, 93,
Can I ask a question? Can I ask a question now? Yeah. Do you think that the dam is going to be busy or not busy? Me too. I hope so.
Where do you think the bus is now?
Probably on the Spaghetti Bowl, maybe? Maybe not even that close.
They're by the Spaghetti Bowl. Is that where the bus is?
Well, no, maybe they're just getting on the 95 now from Summerlin Parkway. No, they gotta be farther than that. Yeah, I'm gonna say Spaghetti Bowl. Between Jones and the Spaghetti Bowl.
That's where the bus is.
That's my guess. That's not for sure. What do you
There's
think?
so many miles behind us.
Yeah, probably about 5 miles behind.